Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Whopper cooked my way. Um, and basically what you want to do is these are quarter-pound patties, and you just want to season them with my all-purpose seasoning blend. That's equal parts onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Season both sides, cook them up, and then you want to melt a slice of cheddar cheese on top of the burgers. I do apologize for the almost commando weird way this is shot. I did not know that I was losing this much light. So by the time that the burgers were done and I put the cheese on to melt, it was pretty much dark out. My camera wouldn't have picked up shit. So, yeah, let's move them in the house, and we're all ready for plating up. Okay, once again, I forgot that I hadn't hit record, so I'm almost done already assembling the burger. Basically, what we have here is a toasted bun, lettuce on the bottom, patty, three pickles, because a burger without pickles is just fucking garbage. And then you want to get some red onion slices, a little mayo, little ketchup. Again, it's pretty close to what Burger King does. And then, of course, you want to add some fries that we've salt and peppered and deep fried. And then finally, to top it off, make it a little bit more adult, how about a nice rum and coke to wash all that down with? So you got a shot of rum, and then just fill the rest up with coke. And that's it. That's a Whopper value meal. My way. Oh, and it is done.